Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn how to recover deleted photos from WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. Step number 1, if you accidentally deleted a photo, check the chat where it was shared. Sometimes you can download it again if the sender has not removed it. Next, you have another option, and that is open your phone's gallery or file manager and look at the WhatsApp images folder. Since photos are often saved there automatically, if it does not work, you have another option, and that is backup. If you backup your chats to Google Drive or iCloud, you can uninstall WhatsApp, then reinstall it and choose to restore your chat history during setup. This will bring back the photos saved in your backup. Finally, if none of these methods work, you can ask the sender to resend the image if they still have it. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.